In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate stick figures using Luma AI. We'll start from a fresh browser window and finish with a clean, AI-generated animation based on a simple stick figure image. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Luma AI and press Enter. This helps you land on the official site quickly. In the results, look for the link that mentions Luma and Creative AI tools. Click the result that leads to Luma's official website. Once you're on the home page, find the Try Luma button and click it to open the app interface. If a welcome screen appears, just proceed into the workspace so you can access the main creation area. Inside the app, look for the attachment or paperclip icon. Click it to upload your stick figure image. For best results, use a high contrast drawing on a plain white or transparent background, ideally centered in the frame. PNG or JPG both work well. A clean outline with minimal clutter makes it easier for the model to understand your character and keep the motion crisp. If your figure has small gaps in the lines, consider a quick touch-up beforehand so the body reads as one connected shape. Next, type your prompt. Be clear, specific, and focused on what you want the stick figure to do. Describe the action, the style, and the mood, and keep the subject phrase consistently so the model knows what to animate. For example, you might write, "Animate the stick figure smoothly jogging in place, looping for a few seconds with gentle secondary motion in the arms and a simple, clean background." If you care about framing or camera behavior, include that too, such as keeping the camera steady and centered on the character. Short, direct sentences typically work better than long, complex ones. When your image is attached and your prompt looks good, click Submit to generate. The system will process your request and then display a preview. Give it a moment. Render times can vary based on complexity and server load. Watch the result all the way through to check timing, smoothness, and whether the motion reads the way you imagined. If something feels off, maybe the pace is too fast or the loop isn't seamless. Refine your wording right in the prompt box and submit again. Small adjustments like specifying slower motion or adding the word seamless loop can make a big difference. That's it. You've just animated a stick figure with Luma AI starting from a simple image and a clear prompt.